Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and I made the unfortunate mistake of buying these two unreliable old supercars that have no Bluetooth audio and terrible infotainment screens. But I'm going to fix that today with Carpod Go. This is the only 60 frame per second wireless CarPlay portable screen on the market, which provides an ultra smooth user experience with fast operation and zero lag. So the only question now is, do I install this in the McLaren or the Ferrari? Well, I think the Ferrari infotainment is a little older and less reliable with no Bluetooth. So let's pull this car out and install the Carpod Go. So let's start by unboxing this really nice seamless box sent to me from Carpod Go, and we'll outlay everything on the car here, see what we're working with, and see just how easy to install it is. It's a really high quality box, that's the first thing I notice. And this, wow. So this is your full 60 frame per second screen. You can see it's got a bunch of covers on there, so we'll just put that there for now. We've got the instruction manuals, so we'll definitely be referencing those. Got some sort of an adapter. This is to install it to the windshield. This is our power supply. And this looks like another thing to stick it to the windshield. And there was more, but wait, there's more. So sent to me in this additional box this is the adapter to mount to the windshield and some additional wiring. So I think what we'll do is we'll climb on the car now and put power to this and then get it all mounted. So you're gonna simply, with your USB or cigarette lighter, you're gonna unwind this cord and plug it in to your cigarette lighter. Make sure there's a nice on and off switch. And let's take this very well built screen out. All right, so on the back of the Carpod Go, there's a labeled plug for the power, so you're just going to plug this in and then take the cigarette lighter portion and plug it in like so, and you'll see that the Carpod Go fires up right away. Beautiful screen. I can see what they're talking about with this 60 frames per second. So let's get this mounted on our dash, and then we will get it all set up. And then you're just gonna unscrew this at the back, pop that ball in, and then screw this back in place. Again, tight, but not over tight. You just want it to be snug. And you can see that it's actually got a magnetic hookup at the back, so you can just easily pop it off, but it's also very strong as well. So if you remove that there, you can very easily mount this to your car windshield. Now it's important that you leave this resting on your dash. You don't want it to be suspended in the air, but it's still nice and firm. It's not going to go anywhere. So just taking a look at this fully laminated screen, which is seamlessly integrated with the casing, providing a unified black texture, enhancing the user's visual experience. So to start using your Carpod Go, when you hit any of these buttons, you're going to be prompted to pair with Bluetooth, and it gives you the PND B93B on this one. So I've got that on my phone here, and we will go ahead and pair this. And look at that, very quickly recognized that I'm trying to pair this device, which is super handy. I don't like having to wait for these things to be connected. So it looks like we're now connected. Let's have a look here. Yeah, so it actually says IMCARS filming phone is connected. And that was handy, very quick. So you've got all your different system languages, Bluetooth settings. You've got a brightness, or you can do a manual shift by time. You can actually pick a wallpaper. That's really cool. Or you can put a logo of your car. Let's see. So you can see this thing works with absolutely any vehicle, and that's why I wanted to actually demonstrate it on a Ferrari. Let's just put it as a Ferrari. Look at that. They even have Ferrari in their system. CarPlay settings. So you can actually set it to if you're right-hand drive for worldwide. You change your volume, audio input, and this is just your system info. So once you've got your Wi-Fi paired, it actually prompts you right on your device if you want to use Apple CarPlay or not. So I just gave it permission. So you can see I've got Apple CarPlay working now with phone, map, messages, music. Like I said, it even gives me the car logo of the brand that I'm driving, podcast, calendar, settings, and Google Maps, all your standard stuff that you would receive with Apple CarPlay. But one of my other favorite modes is the pure Bluetooth mode, which most users choose. This is when the sound is connected via the car's Bluetooth through your phone, and the display screen is only responsible for showing the image. It supports the original car's multifunction steering wheel buttons and microphone. So that's super handy for any modern car. Unfortunately, the Ferrari doesn't have steering wheel buttons, but I'm sure the vehicle that you're going to be putting it in does. So that's why I wanted to demonstrate that this works on any vehicle from Ferrari to Audi to Honda to Toyota. It simply does not matter. This is a seamless integration in any vehicle, and let's be honest, it looks a hell of a lot better than this old, outdated, tired screen. Just look at the difference in colors, clarity, speed. This one sucks. I definitely am going to put the Carpod Go in every vehicle that I drive going forward. So I'm sure you guys agree that the Carpod Go is simply the best wireless CarPlay adapter on the market. And like I said, I'm going to be using it in all my vehicles going forward. And I've got an exclusive discount code for you guys linked in the video description below. So head over there, order your Carpod Go, tag me in it on Instagram and YouTube, and there's an exclusive $50 savings for you guys. This is hands down the best CarPlay adapter. And if you guys have any questions about the Carpod Go, leave them in the comments section down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you so you have full confidence in ordering your Carpod Go.